Hi, this is from Source University. This is job opening for the technology SQL DBA. The company Infosys BPM Limited. The location is Bangalore. They are looking for good understanding of SQL database architecture, good knowledge on backup recovery, expertise on database security, support day-to-day operation and managing database in physical and virtual environment. The second technology is Microsoft SQL Server Database Administration, Cloud Service Engineering. For the company Accenture India, the location is Bangalore. They are looking for 6 to 8 years of experience candidate. The work location will be Bangalore. And the third technology is Senior Associate DBA for the company entity. The location is Bangalore. The requirements have 4+ years of minimum experience in relational database, knowledge on SQL, handling SQL Server, MySQL, and PostgreSQL and MongoDB, and must have hands-on experience handling Oracle database of large size. And the fourth technology is SQL Database Administrator for the company TCS. The location is Chennai, Tamil Nadu. They are looking for 2 to 8 years of experience candidate. The skills must be SQL DBA. The job descriptions are hands-on experience on SQL and experience in SQL patching and backup and experience in SQL license management, including maintaining license, doing true up. Worked on routine maintenance such as patching, timely application upgrade, and renewal of SSL certificates. And the fifth technology is Senior SQL Server DBA for the company dotSolved System Inc. The location is Chennai. They are looking for minimum 10 years of proven working experience as a database administrator. They require hands-on experience in both MySQL and SQL Server. The links will be given in the video description for these jobs. You can apply that directly. Please subscribe to the Source University channel for the more job details. Thank you.